I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth.
Hey Lovebugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it's a 13x4 frontal unit. This unit is 24 inches long. It's 180% density, and the texture is Malaysian Curly. And right here I am gonna start styling the wig, you know, doing all the stuff that I normally do to curly wigs. Well, I normally do them now. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit, and if you are interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you Lovebugs in the outro. Bye.
Everybody told me so, feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a whore, devil in the form of a whore. You said it, oh you said it, oh you said it, we'd be together, oh. She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain.
So I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, the AliExpress version of Beauty Forever. Shout out to you for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This is my 100th collaboration with Beauty Forever, and I really do appreciate it, y'all. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking right now, I went ahead and went on the site, and then I will tell you guys what I personally have on. But let me tell you what they have on the site right now first. So on the site it says Beauty Forever Malaysian Curly Hair Wig, 13x4 or 6 lace front wig, 100% Remy human hair lace front wig, 150 or 180% density lace wigs. As far as the specs and stuff goes with this unit, I don't see any other information about it, but yeah, all they have on here is that it's long, curly, and a lace front. Like, that is pretty much it as far as the specifications go with this wig. But I will have like the picture or whatever on the screen at some point so you guys can see what it looks like on the site. And let me go back and see the length and stuff that they sent me. Okay, so what I have in my head right now is The Malaysian Curly hair wig is, I have 24 inches and it's 150% density. They did come back. Initially they were going to send me, hold on. Okay, so initially they was going to send me the 150% density, so I don't actually have that on. I was looking at the wrong thing, child. Initially they was going to send me the 150% density, but it was out of stock, so they ended up sending me the 180% density. But the wig in itself is 24 inches long, and that is pretty much all the specs and stuff that I have, like as far as that goes. Now as far as what I know about the wig, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And in my opinion, I don't know if they say it on there, I feel like this wig is HD lace. Like, what do you guys think? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Like, y'all, I feel like the lace, even before I applied my Sephora Micro Smooth underneath, because I did do that, but even before I did that, I felt like that the lace was just like, honey, it had that melt to it, girl. I don't know if it was just matching me or what, but it definitely had the melt to it. So it don't say HD, so I'm not gonna say HD because I don't see where it said HD, but I'm gonna say this lace is definitely bomb. Okay, as far as the hairline definitely came pre-tweezed, but I did tweeze it some more, and I hope I can show you guys how much hair I tweezed because it's in my trash can. Okay, so this is the hair that I tweezed out of the hair. Excuse the lace attached to it, but this is the hair that I tweezed out of the hairline, and I did that because I've been stating in my videos that I feel like I want to get better at tweezing hairlines and making wigs look more like I want them to look. I don't think that personally that it would need it, like, unless you just want to do it. Like if you're on one of these journeys that I am on where you're trying to just like get better and better at tweezing units, then yes. If not, then no. Like I don't feel like it really needed it, but I did, and this is what I got. You guys know I can't zoom in now because, honey, this new lens don't allow it. But you guys can still see. And this is what the parting space looks like. Now I didn't tweeze the parting space, but you know, in here somewhere there was a little bit of tweezing just from me tweezing the hairline, but as far as the parting space in itself, I did not tweeze the parting space. And then on top of that, I did also apply my Sephora Micro, child, I'm itching. Child, I did apply my Sephora Micro Smooth to like the very top of the, you know, like I always do. But yeah, that's it. What else I want to say? As far as shedding and tangling, now I did not notice any shedding with this hair prior to me tweezing it. Now obviously after I tweezed it, I was getting shedding, but that was just in my opinion because it wasn't shedding prior to me doing this. In my opinion, it was just like the residual hair from me tweezing the hairline, but I didn't notice any shedding prior to that. Now it is is it a deep curly? It's a deep curly wig, so there was some snags. Let me make sure it's deep curly, child, because I could be telling y'all anything. Deep curl, deep wave, all of it's the same to me, but you know, it's not the same. Yeah, no. They just got curly hair wigs, so it is a curl. I would say like a deep curl, like a tightly curled wig. I did get some tangles, and I want to mention that just because, child, that's tea. Like that's the truth. It wasn't bad, and I don't mind with my curly wigs. I expect to hit a few snags here and there, like in the beginning. But after I detangled it and did what I did to it, which I will be mentioning in the outro of this video, I didn't get that. So yeah. It ain't an issue for me, but I did want to mention it. There were some snags here and there when I was brushing it out. And yeah, as far as details and specs, that's pretty much it. Now, is it big head friendly, and does it come in any other sizes, child? I honestly don't think that this wig, I don't see it on here whatsoever. I don't think this wig comes in any other cap sizes. Now, is this cap size big head friendly? Yes, I do feel like it's big head friendly, and I do still feel like you can make it work if you have a small head, because I do technically have a small head right now. I do still feel like you can make it work. So I would say, like, honey, you can make it work whether your head is on the smallest of the small or on the largest of the large, girl. You can still make this wig work, and that is in my personal opinion. So as far as specs and stuff go, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a lint check, and and then we can get into how I feel about this unit as well as products that I use. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me, and as I stated, it is 24 inches. In my opinion, it's 24 inches curled and not 24 inches in general. It is, yeah, it's pretty long on me. And this is where it comes to me in the back. I'm trying to see, can y'all see? So this is where it comes to me in the back. And you guys know I always say, keep in mind I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world. So depending on your own personal height, this can be longer or shorter on you. It just depends on your height. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much that as far as specs goes with this wig. If you're interested in what I think about it, as well as products and stuff that I used on it, and a full 360 sitting down, then please continue to watch. Okay, so what do I think about this unit, honey? I think she's a look girl. I want to know how much she costs, because in my opinion, like, this unit is from AliExpress. It is Beauty Forever, but it is from AliExpress. I think that their wigs be less expensive. So okay, these wigs, the wigs range from 10 inches to 24 inches. I do have the longest length that this wig comes in, so we'll say 24 inches, and I do have it in 180% density, and it is a 13x4 cap size. And okay, so if you get it in the longest length, which is this length right here, it is $239, honey. Okay, and if you get it in the shortest length, it is 10, which is 10 inches, it is $75. Now, in my opinion, that is hecka affordable. Okay, you guys have seen me review wigs from $60 all the way to $400 and $500. Okay, so to me, this is a really good price for a wig. That's just my personal opinion. A human hair wig, 24 inches, $239. To me, that's not bad whatsoever. But you know, it depends on your budget, girl. Okay, like, some people be like, girl, ain't nobody spend that on hair. I get it, but to me, as far as wigs go, I think that is a really good price for 24 inches. And you know, you can obviously get something shorter. Like 20 inches is usually like my cutoff point. I am happy with 20 inches. And if you were to get 20 inches, it's $176, which is, you know, obviously under $200. I think that is really good. That is my own personal opinion. You know, honey, do what you want to do, girl. Do what you want to do. But yeah, I think the price is good. I think the wig is nice. I think everybody should own a curly wig. Like, y'all, I know you be like, girl, you feel like somebody should own every texture, and I do. I think you should own at least one of every texture, and of course, honey, you know, your other syntheticals or whatever. But I do feel like you need at least one of these wigs, child. Okay, curly, it don't have to be deep wave, it don't have to, I don't care if it's deep wave, deep curly, loose wave, whatever. I feel like you need at least one curly wig, because to me, they are really, really low maintenance, and that's why I feel like you need at least one, honey. This is good beach hair, girl. Like, if you ever feel like you're safe enough to go to the beach, because your girl don't, but if you do, girl, this is your wig. Like, that's just how I feel, honey, point blank. Period. So yeah, that's how I feel about it. I think it is a really nice wig. Now, as far as what I used on this wig and what I did to it to achieve this wet look, and I will say this is still kind of crunchy. It is sort of on the crunchy side, and I think it's the products that I used. I did use the method that I seen also that's Mercedes used, and I hope I got the same product that she used. I thought I did, but I could be wrong, child. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure I had it on the screen at the beginning of the video, so, because I don't remember the name of it, and it's in my bathroom now, so I ain't finna go up and get it. But I did use water and conditioner. First, I soaked the wig, okay? I got this new big spray bottle. I soaked the wig, then I used my pink water bottle, which now has conditioner and water in it. And then after it was soaked and I did that, I brushed it out like to detangle it, and then I applied some type of holding Cantu thing, curling thing. I applied that, and then I applied my Eco Styling Gel, and that's how I achieved this look. And I also use my Lot of Body Mousse to shape my baby hairs. As you guys can see, my Sephora Micro Smooth, my Tiki Bed Head, those are my staple products. And honey, that is it. That's how we got this look. Okay, girl, that's how we got where we at. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it is an entire look. Once again, shout out to you, Beauty Forever. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, that is it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Okay, y'all, so let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling it? Do you think it's a look? Let me know down below in the comments. I really would appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm here to Miss C on Snapchat and a Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.